We got the gang hanging out today. We have Mr. Orange Guy. It's just Orange Guy. Hi, Angel. I will love you. Yeah. Peachers. He's right here. Surprised he's not biting my fingers. Just letting you guys all know it's going to get cold. Like super cold and icy. There goes Orange Guy. They're like, why is he running? There's Peaches. There's Callie. There's McFlurry and Mango. And this would be Dewey right there. Huey's in the back of the shed there. Hi, Mangoes. I think they're going into my garage, which they shouldn't be, but who's over here? Oh, they tricked me. They can walk through the totes, and I don't see them. They're brothers.